Good morning, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here, Saturday morning in Irvine. Came over here to take some after pictures of that beautiful maple hardwood floor. You've been watching it over the last couple of months. Snow Country Hardwoods, want to give a shout out to them in Wisconsin. Beautiful, beautiful milled maple, solid 3/4 inch hardwood flooring. I know Dante did a video yesterday, but I came to take the pictures. Looks so good, I wanted to share it with you guys again. I'm gonna take the videos and add them up, but man, what a difference. Go back and look at the first video. I'll put it all together, but look at that. Bam. Hoo-yah. Hoo-yah. I mean, what are we talking about? What are we talking about? Look at this. My wife is calling me. If she was on Facebook, she'd know what I was doing right now. Look at that beautiful, beautiful maple. And yes, this is the invisible. Hashtag Loba Invisible. Man, I just took the pictures and I'm going to put them side by side of what used to be here. That crazy ugly tile and Brazilian cherry wood. Look how this just, man. Check out the steps. Boom. I'm not going, should I go upstairs? I don't know. My video editor is going to be pissed if I don't. Look at that. And this is all floating. The entire thing is floating. We've got 2 sheets of plywood, crisscrossed, screwed together, solid maple nailed on top of it. Nothing's attached to the concrete, so it has a little bit of a bounce. It's where we do basketball courts, racquetball rooms. It's a lot easier on your knees, joints, everything. Look at that. Gee Louise. Big shout out to my boy Reggie. Had him come over and cut all the doors, put new thresholds on. And she didn't want the brownish black threshold, so he custom made these white ones so that they go with the maple better. And I ain't even been up here. I think they've been up here working. They may have messed up the floor. May not be as beautiful. Man. That invisible from Loba makes it look as if the wood is raw. And all through behind this base, these moldings, we did a clear sealant caulking in case water comes out of the shower and all that stuff seeps down behind it. Oh man, I gotta do a picture from up here. Got your bedrooms, they put the closets in, you have no lights. All right guys, that is it. The entire house. No more carpet. Beautiful, beautiful maple hardwood floor. Any questions, give us a call. Any copy of our book, 9 Secrets to Refinishing Hardwood Floors. Reach out to us. I'm going to end it with this beautiful view. Enjoy your day, guys.